Mark today down, guys, as the day that Ray actually went out and treated himself to an early Christmas gift and got himself a new camera. This is so exciting! What is up, my friends? It's Ray back here, and today in the studio we have the brand new Sony a6600 mirrorless camera. Now, I know I don't really focus on cameras here in my videos, but believe me, guys, these things are a huge passion of mine alongside gaming. You know, gaming, tech, it all goes hand in hand. Filmmaking, whatever it is, it all kind of goes hand in hand. But it is actually very rare for me to get a new camera. Like, throughout my 10-year journey of creating content online, I can literally count on one hand the amount of dedicated cameras that I actually bought to create content. Like, I really didn't need that many. The best one by far, though, that I've been basically using for the past 3 years has been the Sony a6600, and nearly all of the videos that you guys have been seeing here on my channel have been created with that camera. It is a total beast. In fact, it's actually one of the cameras that I'm actually shooting with right now. The a6600 here, though, isn't a big revolutionary upgrade from the a6500, but it does offer a few key features that do get me really excited, like the updated color science, the larger Z battery, which brings impressive battery life, and the flip-up screen, which is going to make a world of difference for me since I shoot a lot of my videos by myself with the camera pointed at me. So now I get to see if I'm in frame or not, which is really awesome. So let's see what's inside this box. Alright, so once you open up the box, you have some information, your warranty information, everything that you need to know about the camera. It's all right here in the paperwork. Dig a little bit deeper and you have all your accessories over here on the right, an AC adapter, a micro USB cable. I'm surprised they didn't put USB-C on this camera, but it is what it is, I guess. We have the eye cup for the viewfinder. We have the new Z battery. Nice. This thing is hefty. This thing feels quite different than the one that I'm used to on the 6500. So this thing is supposed to last nearly twice as long, maybe even longer. And that is something that I am really looking forward to. We have the neck strap, the Alpha neck strap. And over here on the left, we have the main attraction itself, the camera. Let's pull this out. This is always exciting because, like I said, I rarely get cameras, so this is always the most exciting part for me. And here it is in the flesh, the new Sony a6600. And you can feel the difference. Actually, I could feel the difference having shot with the a6500 so much. I can feel the difference right off the bat. The grip is bigger. It feels nice in your hands. The construction of the body actually feels different because now it's a little more weather sealed. And of course, you have the flippy screen, which now I can actually see myself when I'm filming by myself, and I can frame up my shots nice and easy now and not have to redo them like 5 times. This is awesome. So here it is, guys, the Sony a6600. If you want to see what the a6600 is capable of, here are some photos and 4K video samples that I shot during Sony Camera Camp at Flathead Lake in Montana back in September. Pair this camera body with the new 16-55 f2.8 lens and you can achieve some pretty incredible results with this tiny little camera, though that is going to be the case for any sharp glass that you attach to it. If you want to see a full review or another highlight video of what the a6600 is capable of, definitely let me know in the comments box down below, because if the demand is high enough, I'm gonna make it happen. Either way though, the majority of my new videos going forward are going to be shot on this camera, so you guys are gonna get to see it in action here on the channel pretty extensively. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button because it always helps out the channel. And until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Get out there and just go have some fun. Peace.